Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless CarPlay adapters are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter caught my eye right away. Priced at $29.99, it's a bestseller with over 10,100 reviews. If you want a seamless connection with your wired CarPlay system, this is worth a serious look. That's crucial when you're trying to navigate or stream music without annoying lags. Plus, the 8-core processor makes it reliable, even on long drives. And with a rating of 4.4 stars, it's clear that people love it. Now, some people complained about the occasional disconnect during usage. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you're using it for standard commuting. If you're a heavy user or expect to use it in a lot of different environments, it might be a concern. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, reliable adapter that gets the job done without fuss. Skip this one if you plan on using it in high-demand situations like long road trips with multiple users. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if Gemloose's potential disconnect bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Luckyish Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Next up is the Luckyish Wireless CarPlay Adapter, also priced at $29.99 and holding a solid 4.4-star rating from 315 reviews. It caught my attention because of its promise of near-zero latency. So why should you consider this adapter? This can really make a difference when you're on the go. Plus, it auto-connects within seconds of entering your car, which is a lifesaver when you're in a hurry. However, some users reported that the setup can be a bit finicky at first. I'll be real with you, if you're not tech-savvy, this could frustrate you initially. But once you get past that initial hurdle, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you value a quick connection and want an adapter that doesn't hold back on performance. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with a little setup hassle. For what you pay, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for stable connections. Product number 3, IGN-JUN Wireless CarPlay Adapter. The IGN-JUN Wireless CarPlay Adapter is up next, priced slightly lower at $27.98 and rated 4.2 stars from 1,100 reviews. What grabbed my attention is its ultra-compact design. This adapter integrates almost seamlessly into your vehicle's USB port, which means no awkward wires hanging around. The dual-band performance ensures stable connections, which is essential for uninterrupted music or navigation. Plus, it's compatible with 98% of vehicles equipped with wired CarPlay, so chances are good it'll work for you. On the downside, some users found that it can get quite warm during extended use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're using it in a well-ventilated area, that shouldn't affect performance much. This is perfect for you if you want a compact solution that hides away neatly. Skip this one if you're worried about overheating or plan to use it for extended periods without breaks. For the price, it's a steal for what it provides. Now, if IGN-JUN's warmth concern doesn't sit well with you, the next product offers a unique solution. Product number 4, IGN-JUN Wireless CarPlay Adapter 2026 Upgrade. Next, we have another entry from IGN-JUN, this time the 2026 Upgrade model at $29.99, rated 4.3 stars from 496 reviews. What stood out to me is its enhanced connectivity options. This adapter promises a seamless upgrade to your wired CarPlay or Android Auto system. Plus, it supports both iPhones and Android devices, which is great if you frequently switch between phones. It connects within seconds and automatically reconnects, making it super convenient. However, some users report it doesn't work with BMW or Tesla models. If you own one of those, you might want to keep looking. But for the vast majority of users, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're after a solid, multi-device adapter that provides fast connections. Skip this if you own a BMW or Tesla, as it won't be compatible. For the features you're getting, the price is just right. Now, if compatibility is crucial for you, the next product might be a better fit. Product number 5, YFD-UNV Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Finally, we have the YFD-UNV Wireless CarPlay Adapter, priced at $36.89 and holding a 4-star rating from 387 reviews. This one caught my eye for its compatibility with both Apple and Android systems. What's impressive about this adapter is that it fits over 800 car models and supports both iOS and Android devices. The setup is straightforward, and it auto-reconnects every time you start your car, which is a huge plus. Plus, it offers high-quality audio that matches your car's sound system. However, some users mention that it can be a bit bulky compared to others. Honestly, if you're looking for something compact, this might not be your best bet, but it definitely delivers on performance. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile adapter that works with multiple systems. Skip this if you prefer a smaller, more discreet adapter. For the features and compatibility, it's a solid investment. To wrap it up, we've seen some great options. The Gemloose for its seamless connection, the Luckyish for its fast auto-connect, the compact IGNJUN, the versatile second IGNJUN upgrade, and the YFD-UNV for its broad compatibility. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, making it important to pick one that fits your driving habits best.